Rigathi Gachagua noritie mbeu mbithi nibo Gen Z kurekana na mibango ererio ya maandamano aramisi ejete. Augite thirikari ni bangite bokung'ana kurekeria inyangia kenda kureta gacagasha untu buria bomba gutigira ikuo na winyangia botonga. Augite ari no kujia ati shiringi milioni 200 ni irekeretwe kurungamira winyangia mono nterire iri no gwati mbaru bonene bwa kiama kia DCP.
Onde kwerigeretwe maandamano ntuko ya aramisi mutongeria wa kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua ne ugite thirikari ne bangite kurekeria goons kiri maandamano ja na kinyambecha ichitetwe kumbithia bo.
Credible intelligence that Kipchumba Murkomen and Raymond Omolo, using Moses Kuria and Kimani Ichung'wa, Susan Kihika from Nakuru, and other UDA leaders allied to William Ruto, have organized goons to cause terror and mayhem in Nairobi and the Mount Kenya region and blame the opposition. 200 million shillings was withdrawn this morning from a bank in Upper Hill, where an account of confidential expenditure is operated by the State Department of Internal Security. And these funds are for mobilizing goons.
Rigathi nande norete Gen Z gochebania buruna maandamano ja.
I want to appeal to the Gen Zs with a lot of humility and kindness to consider not going out to the streets. These are our children and grandchildren whom we need next year to help us liberate this country through the ballot. From the violence that has been planned by the state using police and goons, I have no doubt in my mind that lives will be lost.
Akiuria kinya biashara batekarugure biashara chao na baikarie amona kinya etithiangare na bikibiki baikarire nja chao.
I do ask all businessmen across the country, especially the targeted areas of Nairobi, the Mount Kenya region, Kajiado and Narok, not to open their businesses on Thursday, 25th June 2026, and keep them closed and ensure they are well protected. Let them organize people to protect their businesses even when they are shut, because we have seen before goons in Nairobi breaking into businesses that are already closed. To those with vehicles, both for public service and private motorists, I urge you to keep off the road, stay at home. There is no need to expose yourself and your motor vehicles to danger.
I
finally want to ask the people of Kenya to be good citizens and to be peaceful and to register as voters. This is the only way they can redeem their dignity and their safety. It's the only way they can have good governance. All these other methods will not work. As for me and my party, the DCP, I want to confirm that we are all abiding citizens and we are peaceful people.